Hey guys, Ryan here. Today we have another unboxing. We have with us the all-new Instinct 2 from Garmin, and Garmin just keeps giving this year. They're on fire, man. I'm really excited to see this watch in person. Obviously, I've seen the pictures of this watch. Well, I just wanted to see how it looks in person, because to me, it feels like this is the most badass watch in the market right now. Garmin keeps adding these features that it feels like this is just a trimmed version of a watch like Fenix 7 or even Epix. Yeah, so with this price level, I think this is a steal, because it comes with so many interesting features that you would find in some higher end models. For example, the Venu 2 Plus. Obviously, this doesn't have the microphone and speaker that the Venu 2 Plus has. Instead of that, it actually comes with some other features that the Venu 2 Plus does not have. For example, the recovery time that you would see in a Fenix 7 watch, you'll see it in this watch, and that's really interesting to me. Besides that, this is a very durable watch. Like, you could just throw it around and probably nothing would happen to this, as opposed to Venu 2 Plus. Venu 2 Plus is a durable watch as well, but not as durable as, say, Fenix 7 or this watch. Yeah, so when I say it's durable, I really mean it, because it's shock and thermal resistant, and that just adds to the value of this watch. So that's why I'm really excited to see this watch in person. I'm really excited to see all these features in a watch like this. Again, you don't get an AMOLED display, you don't get the touch screen, but you get all other things that pretty much you can find in all the other Garmin watches, like the sleep tracking, the fitness age, the stress management, etc. Wow. I mean, I like how it looks. This is definitely, it feels a bit hefty. However, when you compare it with, again, a watch, the closest price to it is probably Venu 2 Plus. When you compare it with Venu 2 Plus, that one, I believe, weighs 51 grams. And this watch weighs 52 grams. So it's pretty much the same weight. So despite the heftier look of it, it actually isn't that heavy. And the straps, again, are silicone straps. They come with a quick release mechanism. So let's try it on. I'll be sure to show you some close-up shots as well. I can tell you that Garmin has targeted people with very large wrists, because these straps are really, just look at these. Okay, so I can see that this being very long makes it a bit hard to put it on quickly. All right, I'm not sure if I like the straps. I do not like the straps. I think the straps are a little bit thick, too thick, to be honest. But I like the watch. I like the design of it. I like this particular camouflage model. Again, I'll be sure to show you some close-up shots. Is this watch for you? Should you buy this watch? It depends, I guess. Like everything else, it depends. But if you want to be cute, like most of us, like me, you would go for a Venu 2 Plus watch. But if you want to go for a cheaper model, it's not significantly cheaper, but this is a wise choice. I think this is one of the coolest smartwatch or sport watches I've seen in a while. So, and it comes with so many features. It's very durable. If you're looking for a durable watch, perfect choice with this price point, at this price point. So yeah, it's a very interesting watch. This is not a solar model, but who cares? The battery life is dope. It's just amazing that you get this much battery life out of this watch. But hey, a quick unboxing video. I'll probably do a review of this watch. If you want to know anything in particular, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and check the description of this video and see how you can participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.